Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Woodstock is a town in western New Brunswick, located in Carleton County along the St. John River, close to the border with the state of Maine. It sits at the junction of the Trans-Canada Highway and Route 95, making it an important transportation and commercial center for the region. The town has a population of just over 5,000 people and serves as a hub for many surrounding rural communities. Its location, rich agricultural land, and long history have made Woodstock one of western New Brunswick's most significant towns. The St. John River Valley has been home to the Wolastoqey people for thousands of years. The river served as a major travel route and provided excellent fishing, fertile land, and access to other communities throughout the region. European settlement began during the late 18th century, with Loyalists and other settlers establishing farms along the rich river valley. The area's fertile soil quickly made agriculture one of the community's most important industries. Woodstock was officially incorporated as a town in 1856, making it one of the oldest incorporated municipalities in New Brunswick. Throughout the 19th century, it developed as a regional center for farming, trade, and transportation. The arrival of the railway further strengthened Woodstock's role as an important commercial center, allowing agricultural products, timber, and manufactured goods to reach larger markets across Canada and the northeastern United States. Agriculture continues to play a major role in the local economy. The fertile farmland surrounding Woodstock produces potatoes, grains, hay, vegetables, dairy products, and beef cattle. Carleton County has long been recognized as one of New Brunswick's most productive farming regions, and many family farms continue to operate today. The potato industry, in particular, remains one of the area's most recognizable agricultural sectors. Forestry is another important industry throughout the region. The forests surrounding Woodstock support logging, trucking, sawmills, and wood processing operations. Together, agriculture and forestry have provided employment for generations and continue to contribute significantly to the economy of western New Brunswick. One of Woodstock's most distinctive landmarks is the historic downtown area, where several 19th century commercial buildings continue to reflect the town's early development. The Carleton County Historical Society and local museums help preserve the area's rich history, while nearby parks and public spaces provide places for residents and visitors to relax along the St. John River. Housing in Woodstock remains relatively affordable compared with many Canadian communities. Average home prices generally range between $275,000 and $375,000, depending on the property's size, age, and location. Larger homes overlooking the St. John River or situated on larger lots may sell for more, but the town continues to offer good value for buyers seeking a smaller community with modern services. Today, Woodstock combines more than 2 centuries of history with a modern economy and a welcoming small-town atmosphere. Its location along the St. John River, strong agricultural traditions, historic downtown, and beautiful surrounding countryside continue to make it one of western New Brunswick's most attractive communities. Thanks for watching!